those front seats. Y'all better make it light on yourselves and let me have those seats. Are you gonna move?
No.
If you don't give me that seat, I'm gonna have you arrested.
You may do that.
Jesus.
Dispatch, driver James Blake. Listen, I got a colored woman on my bus in violation of the law.
That your order, Jim?
Yes, sir, I warned her.
Well, then you just do it. You gotta exercise your powers and put her off.
All right, now I'm gonna need police backup.
Grandpa, I think I hate white people.
Only thing you need to remember is that you're as good as anybody else. White, black, or green with stripes. Don't ever be afraid of what can happen to you if you're fighting for what's right. As long as you keep that with you, then hat'll be a word for other people.
Sitting in the colored section.
I needed that seat, and she wouldn't move. I want her arrested.
Why won't you stand up?
Why do you all push us around?
Will you listen to that?
The law is the law. Lady, you're under arrest.